Welcome to our YouTube channel, all about ideas. Get ready to ignite your imagination with 33 innovative and inspiring ideas for sinks and grills that will elevate your outdoor living space to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned grill master, a passionate home chef, or simply love to entertain outdoors, you'll find plenty of creative solutions to enhance your cooking and dining experience. In this video, we'll showcase a diverse range of sink and grill designs, each offering its own unique blend of functionality, style, and innovation. From sleek and modern setups to rustic and charming installations, there's something here to suit every taste and preference. Follow along as we explore various design features and amenities, such as built-in sinks, prep stations, storage compartments, and more, all designed to streamline your outdoor cooking and entertaining process. Discover how thoughtful placement and clever integration of sinks and grills can create efficient work zones and enhance the flow of your outdoor kitchen. Explore the versatility of materials, from stainless steel and concrete to natural stone and ceramic, as we demonstrate how different finishes and textures can complement your outdoor decor and withstand the elements for years to come. Whether you're dreaming of a compact and functional setup for a small patio or a luxurious outdoor kitchen with all the bells and whistles, this video is sure to spark your creativity and help you design the perfect outdoor cooking and dining space. So sit back, relax, and let yourself be inspired by these 33 creative sink and grill ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content on outdoor living, cooking, and home improvement. Thanks for watching. All about ideas.